Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Nina Fox masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Nina Fox masturbator itself. A very impressive sized masturbator. Now the Nina Fox masturbator has an internal length of 10 centimeters. It's very realistic looking and also feeling, and is provided with both a vaginal and anal opening at the bottom just here. The masturbator is made of a TPR material which feels soft but is also firm. Both openings feature ribbing sleeves on the inside, providing intense penis stimulation. Now, when using the Nina Fox masturbator, we'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the masturbator after every use. And for this, we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Friend with Benefits Nina Fox masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.